Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 401 Wimbledon Road in West Irondequoit.
This is a charming classic home on an amazing double lot. So let's take a tour.
This home welcomes you with character and charm, with a traditional quaint foyer with an arched front door, a leaded glass window, and hardwood floors, leading to this entertainment-sized living room, with a gorgeous gas fireplace wall with built-ins, a wall of windows, an arched entryway to the formal dining room with crown molding, an adjacent kitchen with a chair rail and brick design, and an enclosed porch, perfect for relaxing. The upstairs features 3 spacious bedrooms, all with hardwood floors, and a full bathroom with traditional tile floors, including a spacious master bedroom with an arched entryway to a sitting area, plus a 3rd floor bonus area, which can be a great office, bedroom, or activity room.
This is nature at its best, with a rare double lot, with total privacy and beautiful landscaping, complementing the significant architecture of this classic stucco home. Wimbledon Road has easy access to everything Rochester and Monroe County have to offer.
Nearby is Lake Ontario and beautiful parks.
Waterfront activities are a blast on Lake Ontario. The views are just spectacular.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 401 Wimbledon Road in West Irondequoit.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!